Hi, you're watching Infrared. This is our latest temperature sweep comparator. So you've got a red and a blue pot. So if we tweak these to the outward range, then you'll see a red and a blue light appear. So the idea is to easily set up the device, is to tweak the blue and the red until they just extinguish. So we get a green light which is balanced. So if we blow sensor on the side with cold air, then it will indicate blue. When it builds back up to room temperature, shouldn't be too long, then it will indicate green again, which is ambient. I'll just help that along its way a little bit. So I've got a green light, and then if I apply a little bit more heat from a finger, then it will turn to red. So this is a prototype device. That's we'll just start to build. So it'll probably have the thermistor mounted on the top, but it's quite useful mounted on the side in its own respect. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe, like and share. Bye.